Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode I'm going to show you how to make shawarma mixture. Here are all my ingredients. Here is my garbage. Here is my carrot also, and also here is my egg, boiled egg. Then here is my meat also. Here is the bama I'm using for my shawarma mixture. So for my shawarma feelings, so let's get started. Here I'll start by, so first of all I'll go in with my bama. I'll first go in with my bama. So here I go in with my milk mixture. And also I'm going in with my cube, with my seasoning cube. I'll add a little amount of seasoning. So here I'm going in with my spices also. This is mixed spices. Also I'm going in with my chilled pepper. So let's mix it all join together. So I'm going in with my vegetable oil. Now I finished mixing all our ingredients, so I'm going in with my vegetable oil. So let's step it aside. So in a bowl I'm going in with my cabbage. So I'm going in with my cabbage. So also going in with my carrots. So I'm going in with my meats. Also I'm going in with my boiled egg. So let's go in with our liquid mixture. That is our mixture of bama. So let's mix all together. We are done incorporating our mixture, as you can see. So our shawarma fillings is ready. So let's start to wrap it. So let's wrap our shawarma. So let's wrap our shawarma. As you can see, here is our shawarma. We have wrapped it already. So remain to go and grill it after we are done. Now we are done folding our shawarma. So let's go and warm it. We are grilling our shawarma. So now I'm folding it in my foil paper. So here We are done with our shawarma. So let's cook our shawarma and see our results for our shawarma. So here is our shawarma. Our shawarma is ready. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. Like, share and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.